Hey, good morning, guys. I'm Romero here with eXp Realty, my partner Karen Castillo from Absolute Top Dollar. So today's home inspection day. So what I did was, before the inspector went into the home, I opened up all the doors. I opened up the curtains, the blinds, so then that way the inspector could go ahead and check all the windows as he already is going to do. On another note, as you can see, look what Candace's crew, how they left the house. Empty, looking great. They do such a great job. So as you can see, all the doors open, the windows are open, blinds, laundry room. Look how they clean this place out. Thank you, Team Candace. Look at that, from top to bottom, bottom to top. Incredible. Amazing job. In this business, it's very important to have good connections with people that do an amazing job. Very hard to find in this line of work. All right, check that out. The inspector has arrived. His name is Daniel from Max Home Inspections. I represent the buyer in this transaction. There goes the inspector. Have a great day, everyone. Thank you.
Hey, let's go! Congratulations! Thank you.
Okay, Roman and Roman, congratulations on the new purchase of your new home. We are so excited that we actually were able to go through this journey together once again. Thank you so much for entrusting me as your buyer agent this time. As for before, I was your listing agent. So thank you very much for entrusting me again. And this has been a wonderful, wonderful transaction and a great experience. So just wanted to ask you, Roman, whichever one person wants to answer first, how was your overall buyer experience with myself, Ahmad Romero from eXp Realty?
Yeah, first of all, yes, with House of Arthur Street, it was first impression, first experience. It was very positive because everything was very smooth and the most important, very fast. So we sold our house maybe less than 1 month.
Yes.
We even didn't expect it. So yeah, thank you. And it was, I think, for now the most expensive purchase in that area. So it also is a big plus. About this house?
Well, thank you also for honesty, because a lot of realtors that we were selling the house, they told us prices that were way above, and they said, no, we will sell it, but those prices were not realistic. They were, I don't know what criteria they used to count the money. But anyway, then you came, who gave us like real numbers, and we realized like, he's right. He knows what he's talking about, not those people. And then just it happened that you had a house for us that actually was waiting for us there.
That's right.
On 17th Street now. So everything again very quick, smooth, no problems. Also, thank you for your help with calling FPL when we needed it, with communicating to everybody and recommending us in future.
Thank you.
Proved guys to help us fix the place. So looking forward to start.
Awesome. Well, thank you so much for the kind words. And again, this is Ahmad Romero from Team Absolute Top Dollar, listing agent with eXp Realty. It's been a pleasure working with you guys. Looking forward to working with you guys again in the very near future. And of course, just because we close this transaction today doesn't mean that you cannot reach out to me or call me. And I also want to congratulate you, Roman, for getting your real estate license. Woo! So we are here for you, myself and Carolyn. So any questions you have, any guidance you need, of course, we would love to help you with that transition as well and help you become the best realtor that you possibly can. So thank you very much for everything, and we look forward to speaking and working with you guys in the very near future. Thank you.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Thanks, guys.